In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn posts from being visible to connections only to being visible to anyone. This is a great way to broaden your reach and engage with a wider audience, beyond just the people you are directly connected to on LinkedIn. Whether you are looking to expand your professional network or increase visibility for your personal brand, this simple setting adjustment can be incredibly beneficial. Let us start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, you should be on your LinkedIn homepage, also known as your feed. Your feed is the place where you can see updates from your connections and content from the pages you are following. In order to change the visibility of your posts, navigate to the top of the page where you see the Start a Post button. This is usually found right below LinkedIn's main navigation bar. Click on Start a Post to begin creating a new LinkedIn post. Draft the content you want to share. This could be an article link, a job update, or a personal achievement. Whatever you feel is valuable to share with a broad audience. After you have prepared your post, you will notice an option underneath your profile name that controls who can see your post. By default, this is often set to connections only. Click on the button that indicates post visibility. It might say connections or connections only. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Select the Anyone option from the list. This change allows your content to be accessible to everyone on and off LinkedIn, including those who might come across your posts via search engines outside of LinkedIn. It is a valuable feature if your content is meant to engage a larger audience or seeks viral potential. Before you finalize the visibility change, consider reviewing your post for any personal or sensitive information you may not want widely disseminated. Once you are satisfied with the content and the selected audience setting, go ahead and click Post. Your update will now be shared with the wider LinkedIn network and can potentially be seen by anyone browsing LinkedIn content, even those that are not directly connected to you. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have broadened your reach on LinkedIn by setting your post to be visible to anyone. Remember, networking is about making meaningful connections, and by sharing knowledge or insights, you enhance your presence within the professional community. If you plan on regularly posting content meant for a wider audience, keep this setting in mind each time you craft a post. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tip helps you maximize your LinkedIn experience. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and insights to navigate your professional journey.